Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this stunning, absolutely price range Jaguar XF top of the range portfolio. Got a lovely comprehensive service history with Jaguar. We're just about to service MOT it. It's finished in a Yolong white, which is an absolutely beautiful colour. It's like a grey pearl effect white, not just a normal white colour. Absolutely lovely. It's in absolutely fantastic condition considering the mileage. Does not drive or look like it's got rear parking sensors there. Twin exhausts. Boot area is in lovely condition. Reverse camera. Full leather seats, the portfolio seats. Meridian sound system, electric windows, electric mirrors. Inside the car it's fully loaded. Just start up, seats drives fine. Starts fine rather. You've got climate control, air conditioning. Satellite navigation. Reverse camera, park distance control. Got a full media pack. Bluetooth prep and Bluetooth for phone. Different driving styles, Eco, Pro, Dynamic. Holders, lovely storage area. Got a USB and an aux there. Paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. It's done 110,951 miles, which makes it great value for money. I checked last night, is absolutely the cheapest around for the age. DJH offer full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please call 07503 751 005. Thank you.